In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. I tweak icon size right after setting up a new phone every time before recording a tutorial. It's a quick way to make layout cleaner or easier to use depending on what you prefer. In order to do that fast on this Samsung, pinch your device's display and hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Now operate this slider under App Size to adjust them. And when you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!